Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be going over my Meshtastic daily carries. We're also going to be talking about Spec5 and my partnership with them, and they came up with this really cool collaboration. So this is the MiniTrekker GhostStrats Edition. As you see, you get the deep dark purple with the black. Really nice looking MiniTrekker here. This is their entry level gadget, so I picked this one because for that purpose. So this is their entry level. This will run you about $70. And this comes installed with Meshtastic, already configured, has a battery. All you need to do is use your phone, connect to it over Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. Super easy, ready to go out of the box. And my other daily carry was originally the Spectre Pro. So I love the Spectre original. Then they came up with a Pro version with a little bit more power, a little bit bigger. And they ended up making a GhostStrats Edition Spectre Pro. So these two devices are my daily carry. We'll go over my setup in a little bit. But these devices, I like this one because it's entry level. It can get a lot of people in the door, Meshtastic, that don't want to go through building your own gadgets and setting up DIY projects and flashing firmware, which is not hard to do. But there's a market for people that just want to get into off-grid communications. They just want ready-to-go devices that are premium and well put together. They're ready. You can build stuff, you can do DIYs, but this company is great for those scenarios and those people. So let me go over my setup here. So I have the Spectre Pro. I have this always with me, and this is a really good war driver. We'll go over that later. But the reason why I like having the two Meshtastic gadgets set up is because these things work off of each other. So whenever I send a message, so I use my iPhone. So this is a other iPhone I'm using for demonstration purpose. But this iPhone is connected to this MiniTrekker. So through a Bluetooth connection, I can use this device, communicate LoRa, then this device will pick it up and then rebroadcast it, and then vice versa. It can receive LoRa messages and then also send it to this device, which then I'll get it on my phone. So this is like almost having a mini repeater. We'll get a little bit more range because you get the added antenna, while this device here is when I usually interact with my phone every single day. Now, when I'm using my phone to edit videos or whatever else I'm doing throughout the day, I can use this guy. Now, I also use this guy for a lot of reasons. This is an Android phone. A lot of people are stuck in the iPhone ecosystem. You have access to Android apps because of this little gadget right here. On top of it, I can do things like use Shadow PC to start a dark web chat server if I want to, and then use the Tor web browser to communicate and use the web server, send files, you name it. I can even host a dark web website if I want to. I have Discord. I mean, you can. It's a mini Android phone. You can do whatever you want. And you can also use things like BitChat, Proton VPN on here, and you can pretty much download whatever you want. Now, another awesome thing about this being an Android device is that this could be a war driver. This has the WiggleNet app on it, so I can directly upload all my stuff. And I'm part of a team called NerdSec. I highly recommend joining us. We're going to be shooting for top 10 this year on this website. And this device makes that part of my life really easy. I can just don't have to worry about it interfering with my normal phone stuff. Just have this running in the background, throw it in my bag, and then I'm capturing Wi-Fi networks all day long and uploading them, contributing toward that war driving team. So it's really great to have this mini Android device, again, for the flexibility. The reason why I like the two-phone setup is because I can hand this over to somebody. They can use this gadget, and I can go take my phone and my backpack. Doesn't matter if I don't have cell service or not. And I'm building, as long as I'm within range between these two devices, which could be 1 to 3 miles, depending on line of sight, I'm able to have a communication system in an emergency situation. Give this to somebody. It's just show them here. Click on this. Make sure you're in the long chat, where I'll probably end up setting a special chat for our communication purposes. But for now, just go here, and this is how we're going to communicate. I know the cell services are down, but this is how we're going to operate. I give them this. I have my phone. I use that. I have a two-way communication system always with me. So this is my daily carry setup. I have the MiniTrekker and then the Spectre Pro. Now these are the GhostStrats editions. I highly recommend checking these out. This purple, they did such an amazing job. This is the best purple 3D print color I've seen yet. And I'm just so happy about this collaboration. So I really do like this company for the purpose that I believe that there's a lot of people out there that want to get into off-grid communications and survival tech, but they don't want to go the route of building and dealing with DIYs, but they want to get into the community and learn. And they just want to get in there and start doing it and playing around with it and get more excited and experiment with more things that eventually lead them into bigger projects. That's why I like Spec5. It really feels like it fits that. And I picked the MiniTrekker because that was the entry-level device. And it works great. I've been using it. It's been my daily driver. And having this setup where I can use this as the repeater, leaving this around, put this near a window, and then have my backpack charge. I actually usually use something like this. Like I have a little battery bank that I leave in my bag, and I have this plugged in. So if I need the charger on the go, or if I need solar power on the go, I have this stuff in my backpack. So it's really great to have this type of setup. Now, I just want to say this too. Let's be honest. The world is a very messed up place right now. We had Verizon go down randomly the other day. We had plenty of cell phone outages in the past, and with little to no explanation. Now, with war on the horizon, back and forth between political issues and just the constant nonsense you see politically on TV, having gadgets like this, having survival tech, having ways to communicate with your loved ones, having a survival communication gadget, and even GPS tracking, etc. This stuff is very important. Now, water, food is very important, but being able to communicate and communicate reliably and independently and privately is very important. Because when things get compromised, it's going to be too late. And I'm not saying to fight the machine on this channel. I'm not, because that's a losing battle. What I do recommend and what I want to say to you all is that it's okay to be compliant, just not reliant. Compliance, not reliance. So this makes you a little bit more independent at the end of the day. Thank you, Spec5, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending me the gadgets and this collaboration and partnership. I really look forward to our future together. GhostStrats Edition Spectre Pro and the MiniTrekker is available now. I think they're going to be running this collaboration for a couple weeks, so this is a limited time. But if enough people get this device, maybe they'll leave it permanent on their shop. Now, 5% of the purchases of the GhostStrat Edition products will go toward helping my channel directly. But what do you guys think? How do you guys like this cool case? How do you like the MiniTrekker? What do you guys think of my daily carry Meshtastic setup? Curious to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you all for watching this video, and remember that safety is an illusion.